I want us to do a very simple analysis, quick analysis, and see what we might come up with. Right now, this time we just supposed to look for only A plus setup. So real quick, let's just hit the market and sort our analysis. Now, first thing, let's just start with gold, because most people like trading gold pair, right? So let's just see, where are you? Gold right here. Now, if we look at the daily time frame, one thing about gold is she's not been trending for some months, right? Which is not good according to my strategy, because I'm a trend follower. Right now, I think she's moving sideways, but let's just go with that. Yes, she's ranging, but then we still have strategies for trading ranging markets, demand and supply, SMC. Let's just do that. Now, first things first, if we hit that level as our previous high, then just that level is our previous low, demand and supply. Right now, mark out the next key level right here. Boom. I think that should be a liquidity zone. SMC gang know what I'm talking about. Right now, let's just go to the H4 real quick and see what she is doing around that level. Zoom out a little bit and make sure we take care of everything. I'm talking about the wicks, not just the body. Just have it. Maybe, yeah, that's it. Good. Now, I think this should be here too. Right. So one thing about gold is she's basically at a very crucial zone. Right, what am I talking about? We have this level right here as our liquidity zone, and now for the SMC people, you know, or you understand that before the market move, probably you guys do wait for liquidity sweep, right? Make sure that the market has taken out most people's stop loss before you go in. Now, if we look at this level right here, we had this as our previous liquidity. We had this, right? We saw gold sweeping that level before going down. Same as this level, went back, swept that level before dropping, right? So we've seen now gold almost hit this level, but then she has not yet taken out that stop loss. So there's still that anticipation that she might go back, you know, take the stop loss probably before going down. Who knows? But generally we're still in an uptrend. But then who knows? This is gold. She might just continue going up, probably targeting this level right here. Right. At the same time, if we zoom out right here, we see that there's also this level right here. There's that zone too. So let's just introduce once again our trend line. 1 2 3. Let's go. Have our resistance zone marked right there, and do the same to the support level right there. Now that's based on the H4. So we go to the H1 real quick and see what we might come up with. Let's go. That's it. Now what do we see gold printing of the H4? Now of the H1, sorry, we've seen gold printing this kind of a pattern. Now what if we anticipate that that's just another continuation pattern? So if that's the case, let's just clone that joint and have it dragged below right there. So the next level that we should be looking out for is another liquidity zone. SMC, yo, I got you covered today. So we have this level right here, probably mark out that zone. We still have this level right there. So if we see gold still dropping, no problem, we still anticipate that there's that zone too, right? So for us to look for buys, which is going to be risky still, but then at the same time it's not yet confirmed to look for sales, right? So basically right now I think we should just continue looking for buys, short-term buys, until gold tells us that she wants to do something different, right? So this is my anticipation. Maybe wait for gold, maybe when market opens to go up a little bit, comes back, grab that liquidity right there. Now I'm going to see what she'll be doing around this level. If I get an impulse phase right there, we all know that after every impulse phase we anticipate a correction. So mark out this as another level right there and see what she will be doing around that zone right there. So let me just adjust this right there. Now once I see a pullback right here, then I should be looking for my end. Now the problem is where we are. But at the same time, if we understand how price is approaching a support or resistance, why is she giving us a bullish flag? Oh, then I think we should target that level, or else let's just try to, or rather let's just try to extend this trend of ours, and boom, we target that zone. I think that makes sense. Then have our entry right there. That makes sense, because why will she be giving us a continuation pattern? That's the question. Because if we were supposed to look for sales, then she should have been giving us bearish continuations, and at the same time we should be, seeing bearish properties, lows, low high, low, the lows being broken. But right now I think she's just printing more bullish pattern. So I think I should just add it to my A plus right here. My A plus. Now I want us to look at silver too, because now if you look at other pairs, they're still in a range but not clear consolidating. Now this time we just need those quick move, and I saw something amazing on silver, but still confusing though. Until we see maybe the market opening and we understand what he will be printing, then we should be attacking. So if I go back to the daily time frame, correct. So this is what silver has been doing. Yes, she's been an uptrend, right? And to confirm, yeah, these are just bullish properties flag. And now I've seen this is what our joint has been printing. Bullish properties after bullish properties. I think we should also look for buys. Let me see. XAGUSD, XAUUSD, XXXUSD. Should be looking for buys. But at the same time, that joint, man, let's just react to what price is telling us, not what we're thinking, right? So if the market opens, basically I think we should just trade what we see, not what we think, right? Let's just continue on this silver thing. Let's just try anything right here. Anything goes, baby. Trend line, I see a touch. Okay, makes sense. Boom. I think that makes sense too. Makes sense. Correct. So basically what I see on silver is we're still in that channel, the bullish flag channel, but we've not seen any confirmation that she's ready to go up, right? Let's just go to the H4 real quick. I think I should just make sure I take care of everything before I get caught up in the wrong side of the market. You understand? 1 2 3 right there. Last week she kind of tried to break, then respected. I see some bears coming in. So if this is what we see based on our analysis, basically I think we should just wait for the next reaction confirmation. If we get our bullish properties, basically I'm still going to take that trade. Now the first thing I think I see here is a double bottom right here, and yeah, I see the market gave us an impulse phase correction, impulse phase right here. So let's go back to our order blocks, SMC guys. So we mark this level right here, and once we get a confirmation right there, I think I'm going to go in for buys, even though she's not yet broken out of that joint, until I see price telling me otherwise. If she wants to continue dropping, I'm not going to take no trade. But first TP should be that. level right there. You understand? Because if you look to the left side, we still have this level that price played around for a while, so there's still that possibility that she might go back to hit that level right there. Now at the same time, I think we should have more confidence to see whether our bullish thing is making sense. Now if you look to the left too, I think we have this level right here which was respected, and that is why you see once again it went back, respected that level, the upper bottom, and you know, we've seen now there's this anticipation. Now as we analyze this joint, I've seen something right here. So what if we mark out these two right here? Because we've not yet seen any sign that she's ready to go to the top. Then we anticipate once we get our short-term buys right there, and now she respect that level, comes back, makes sense, then that's when maybe she might touch those amazing highs. In essence, that I see she might be printing this amazing left shoulder right there, head, now goes up, finish it smooth, then respect that neckline, comes back. Now this should be a good place to go in for long-term swings, guys. I think that's it. I don't want to look into other pairs. These are just, those two are still great. I think I should add it to my A+ setup too. You understand? And see how she's going to behave too. Yep, I don't have anything in waiting. I don't have any trade in progress. Right, so those are the things that I should be anticipating. So check out my Telegram link in the description box below, and adios, my mega space.